Right, it's time to tidy up this wiring loom. This is off the Derbi, and it's been modified because this thing's got a starter motor on it now. The loom's been sort of chopped and whatever. So what I'm going to do, I'll take that blue tape off. Any tape that looks sort of dodgy, I'm going to take off and just check the wiring. That was going to the back lights, that's just a total mess, so that going to renew all the connectors on that. That's the main wire going to the starter motor, from the solenoid to the starter motor, which is that sort of defeats the purpose of having a heavy cable if you put a crappy wee connector on it. So I'll get another cable. The speedo cable, the speedo and the rev counter, that's all been butchered up as well. So I think I'll get one of the sort of digital speedo rev counters. I fitted one on my other bikes and it seemed pretty good. Takes a wee bit of wiring up, but it's not bad. So I think that's heading towards the bucket. Plus the actual housing of that was all broken, so that's bucket material. So that's about Once this loom tidied up, I checked all the wiring behind that and it's okay. I'm going to leave that until I've got that on the bike, because I don't want to start chopping wires and I do need them. So that looks hellish now, like, but I'll tidy that up when it's on the bike. A wee update on the Derbi. I've got the chain on, chain guide, chain guard. I've got the exhaust on. That's got to be, I'm going to have to make a bracket for that. I've got the carburetor on. Now, this wire, I tidied a bit of the wire knob, but I'm glad I've stripped that off, because there was bare wires, or just sort of wrapped in the loom. It's just a total mess, honestly. Ken, it's easy to criticise other folks' work, like, but that's the wires for the front indicators, and they were just so. Oh, there's a break in that wire. Oh, look at that. Oh, what's that? Yellow. I'll have to check my wiring diagram. I'm glad I noticed that. What a pissing mess, honestly. Oh, we'll get there.